Ever felt like you're yelling into the void? You've got a problem, a question, something's just not working right, and you need help. But who do you call? Where do you even begin? Especially when it involves something as critical as your financial security, your investments, or maybe even those crucial tax documents. Today, we're tackling that exact question, specifically for those of you who are navigating the world of Patriot software. You know, the payroll, accounting, and HR folks. Now, Patriot, like many software companies, offers a range of support options, but finding the right one can sometimes feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You've probably been there, right? You've clicked through countless help articles, maybe even tried a chatbot that just keeps looping you back to the same page. Or worse, you've been stuck on hold for what feels like an eternity, listening to that same repetitive hold music. It's frustrating, I get it. And that's exactly why we're here. We're going to break down the different ways you can contact Patriot support, highlighting the pros and cons of each method, and giving you some insider tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Because let's be honest, your time is valuable, and you shouldn't have to waste it jumping through hoops just to get the help you need. Let's start with the most traditional method, phone support. Now, for many, this is still the go-to option. You get to speak to a real person, explain your issue in detail, and hopefully get a resolution in real time. Patriot does offer phone support, and you can typically find their phone number on their website, usually in the Contact Us or Support section. But here's the catch, wait times can vary significantly. During peak hours, like right before payroll deadlines or tax season, you might find yourself waiting a while. So, here's a pro tip, check Patriot's website for their support hours. Knowing when they're busiest can help you avoid those peak times. Also, if you know you're going to call, try to have all your information ready. This includes your account number, company information, and a clear description of the issue you're facing. The more prepared you are, the faster the support agent can assist you. Now, let's talk about the pros of phone support. You get immediate, real-time assistance. You can ask follow-up questions and get clarification on the spot. And for complex issues, sometimes talking to a human is just more efficient. However, the cons are those wait times, the potential for miscommunication, and the fact that you might have to repeat yourself if you get transferred to a different agent. Next up, we have email support. This is a great option for non-urgent issues, or if you prefer to have a written record of your communication. You can usually find Patriot's email support address on their website. Just like with phone support, try to be as detailed as possible in your email. Include screenshots, error messages, and a clear description of your problem. This will help the support team understand your issue and provide a more accurate and timely response. The pros of email support are that you can send your inquiry at any time, you have a written record of your communication, and you can include attachments like screenshots or documents. However, the cons are that it might take longer to get a response compared to phone support, and you might have to go back and forth with multiple emails to resolve your issue. Now, let's talk about online resources. Patriot, like many software companies, offers a wealth of online resources, including help articles, FAQs, and tutorials. These resources can be a great way to find answers to common questions and troubleshoot issues on your own. Before you reach out to support, it's always a good idea to check their online resources first. You might find that your question has already been answered. The pros of online resources are that they're available 24/7, you can access them from anywhere, and they're usually free. However, the cons are that they might not cover every possible issue, and you might not find the specific answer you're looking for. Another option is their live chat support. Many companies now offer live chat support, which allows you to chat with a support agent in real time through your web browser. This can be a convenient option if you need quick assistance and don't want to wait on hold. To access Patriot's live chat, look for a chat icon on their website, usually in the bottom right corner. The pros of live chat are that it's fast, convenient, and you can usually get a transcript of your chat for future reference. However, the cons are that it might not be suitable for complex issues, and the support agent might not be able to provide the same level of assistance as a phone agent. Now, let's talk about some general tips for contacting Patriot support, regardless of the method you choose. First, be prepared. Have all your information ready, including your account number, company information, and a clear description of your issue. Second, be specific. The more specific you are, the faster the support team can assist you. Third, be patient. Support agents are there to help you, but they might need some time to research your issue and find a solution. Fourth, be polite and respectful. Remember, support agents are people too, and they're more likely to help you if you're polite and respectful. And finally, if you're still having trouble getting the help you need, don't be afraid to escalate your issue. Ask to speak to a supervisor or manager. This can sometimes help you get a faster resolution. One key thing to remember when contacting Patriot support is to document everything. If you speak to a support agent on the phone, take notes of their name, the date and time of the call, and a summary of the conversation. If you send an email, save a copy of your email and any responses you receive. This documentation can be helpful if you need to follow up on your issue or escalate it to a higher level. Also, consider the timing. If your issue is urgent, phone or live chat might be the best option. If your issue is less urgent, email or online resources might be sufficient. Knowing the urgency will help you pick the correct method. Another thing to note is that Patriot support options might change over time. So, it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. In summary, there are several ways to contact Patriot support, including phone, email, live chat, and online resources. The best method for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to be prepared, specific, patient, and polite. And don't be afraid to escalate your issue if necessary. Ultimately, the goal is to get your issue resolved as quickly and efficiently as possible. By understanding the different support options available and following these tips, you can increase your chances of getting the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.